I don't even know if I should. That's fine. We live up here.
I'm a law-abiding citizen, so I don't know what the issue is. I'm a doctor.
Wait. No, it's just about informing people in general. But we have so many neighbors that have all seen us, it's irrelevant.
I love gossip. What's the gossip?
Well, it's not gossip, but I want... You seem to have a general understanding of, you know, furnishing a home, given you're selling stuff, right?
Uh-huh.
Barrick, I want to ask about the window. Should we bring him and show him? I have a question regarding them. Here.
Why not?
It's right up the road.
Who am I hopping in? Am I just hopping in the back?
Honestly, it's probably worth getting on your bike in case we have to leave. It's literally up the road. It's not far at all.
Okay, perfect. Should I grab my bike?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, whereabouts? I'll follow.
Welcome to our humble abode.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's a fixer-upper, is it?
Yeah, much like you. Here, jump.
Oh, wow, you're so kind.
Yeah.
You're a tree, I would chop you down.
Oh, perfect. So, do you have any insight behind windows like this?
Like window frame-wise?
Yeah. Is there a specific window frame for this? Do we have to do multiple? I don't actually know. I didn't see.
It wasn't a specific one for it. I would say you probably just have to use like multiple like square sort of style ones.
Got it. Okay.
You just put a wall over it, you know, just board it up.
No, and destroy the view that we have?
I don't know. I wouldn't say it's a great view, but
That's fucked up.
And the sunset's literally above that like tree.
Albert guy's standing in this house watching the sunset.
He's been the one decorating.
You'd be better off out on the lawn chairs with the coffee watching it.
Most of the time, I'll just go
Okay,
on the
but
roof.
here's the issue. It's always fucking raining in Polito. Speaking of which, look, come over here. Oh, look at what's on the floor.
Yeah. Banana.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna say I
Banana
hope you slip on
4.
it?
No?
No?
Fuck.
What was I
Yeah,
meant to...
You're batting whatever the opposite of a
No
thousand is
banana
right
for
now.
scale?
Like,
You've never heard that?
You're using the banana for scale?
Fuck off. I hate this guy.
Oh,
There's no way he's actually using a banana to scale the house.
okay. It's just.
It's mostly a joke, I think. So I don't know.
It's supposed to be. I'm not.
All
a
right,
bad
look,
joke
we
person.
already had the plumbing done for our
That's where
shower.
I didn't know where the leak was.
Oh, it's not. This was intentional. This is gonna be our bathroom.
Oh, you got a wee bit of a leak.
No, it's it's the shower.
Definitely the house. That's for sure.
What?
Got the leaks and everything. Who's calling me?
Why are you so surprised you're getting a call?
No, it's no one. I don't know. Hello.
Well.
Oh, hey Andy, how you doing?
Oh.
Why don't you get some rest? Oh hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
if you
I'm
can't
heading
get
back
them to me
down to
tonight,
the
I can
city.
grab them from you tomorrow.
All right.
Whichever's easier for you.
Hi, Letson.
I'll see you later. Yeah.
Bye.
1:30, 10:08.
Okay, sounds good.
Dispatch 107, 10-8.
Dispatch 130. Y'all remember the individual that was at the motel off of Great Ocean up by Polito?
Hey, fam.
That same individual was just in the general area of the latest 34.
I just call. I don't want to interrupt you. Blue car heading southbound Great Ocean right now. We're just clocked to going 173.
All right, I am pulling it over.
It's flag 1060.
Individual had a box, just put it in the trunk, and
Able to pull over?
engine off.
Yeah, will I pull over or no?
No,
over
staying
to-
here is
Oh,
fine.
okay,
Engine
okay.
off.
Alright, we're gonna be in traffic just to the east of the chicken factory. Like a blue Pagero, I think it's
officer.
called.
Hi.
How's it going?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm Officer Rhodes, of the Los Santos Police Department. How are you?
Oh, I'm pretty good, you know, just chilling.
That's good to hear. Care to explain why you're hauling
22 to the
ass
units
way
on
above the
traffic.
speed
Do you want
limit?
me up there to assist?
I'm sorry, officer.
I would just be
Okay,
ready
this is
to
a
intercept
test drive.
'cause
I
it's
was
probably gonna
testing
bleed.
it to its limits.
So,
I apologize.
Yeah,
It's
Okay,
a
I'll
test
take
drive? From where?
responsibility. Yep, from Mosley's.
To make sure I got spikes.
Okay. And you think in a test drive you should be doing over 150 miles an hour?
I know. I'm sorry.
All right. Let me go ahead and see some identification, please.
Alrighty. There you go.
Okay. Do you have non-expired ID?
Where's... Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. I do not. I forgot to go to City Hall.
You don't. Okay. You forgot over the past
Yeah.
2 months?
Well, you know. Nobody's
Mm,
mentioned it. I just, I still think it's 2023, you know?
Right. Okay. So, trying to think here.
Okay. Okay.
The thing is, with an expired ID, I can't exactly issue you a citation on that basis.
Huh.
Okay, could you be a favor, step out of the vehicle?
Step out of the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
So why is this necessary?
Well, sir, it is a lawful order. I do need you out of the vehicle.
And then what? Just a nice chat?
Depends on circumstance.
Oh.
We're gonna have to have a
What
chat.
about the
Out of the vehicle,
circumstances?
sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They're fleeing.
Alright, active 80 with a blue and color Vigera, occupied one time. Eastbound Great Ocean Highway towards the Sonora Freeway. It's already gapping us. Southbound Great Ocean Highway to the Sonora Freeway. We're going 120 and it's gapping us. Still southbound Great Ocean Highway, exiting Polito. Approaching Braddock Pass Tunnel, I'm BCB.
I think the likelihood of them losing control of that vehicle is fairly high, especially in the rain.
Hey, Prime, we're continuing to go south.
I'm on your right.
I haven't regained visual of them still. off the road to the right because then I can't buy around otherwise.
118 station at Los Santos Freeway and Sonora Freeway. Ramp or bridge.
Individual provided an identification card belonging to a one Joey Toes, but it was expired. Yeah, I'm doing 130. I've got nothing heading south.
I'm gonna circle back up to Polito because he's probably gonna head back up there. I think
Not wrong. Like I said, the individual jumped out of the vehicle with a large box in hand. Also, because we have Forte on LS, I'm cutting Palomino. In fact, I'm going to cut Palomino, but then I'm going to cut north on Sonora Way. Because I feel like that would be the most ideal U-turn for them.
I looked up Joey Toes on the MDT as well. No picture in the MDT. Only thing on the record is the third degree speeding.
Very firm.
I think he would have passed me by now.
Oh, yeah, 100%. That thing... Barrick, how fast did you clock them originally?
173, and then while we were like U-turning to head back up to Polito, something flew by that went 174.
All right, 130 is heading north back towards Polito. I'm going to keep an eye on the train tracks as I do so. Any chance for approval on PBS if they're traveling at high rates of speed like that?
Oh yeah, without.
Stay firm.
We're gonna stake it out from the distance, the place that the car pulled into.
When they did realize that they were being pulled over, they ended up putting that box in the trunk, by the way. Are any of the rails active up by Polito?
Negative.
A firm. 130 is gonna take the tracks that run parallel to Sonora Freeway. I'm currently on the eastern side of the freeway, and I should be going and crossing over to the west side. .34 just popped off in that immediate area. Don't have any visual.
Not currently. Watching the train tracks. There was a guy running around on foot. On like the southwest corner.
I got the same vehicle. Approaching the Polito gas station. Pull it over. Actually, different vehicle, I think. Same color? This is registered to a Sheila Lawson.
Is it flagged?
A-firm. Engine off, windows down, please. I'm gonna speak with him. Hello.
Hello, sir, officer. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you?
Okay. Getting a little rainy, you know, getting a little wet here. But okay.
I mean, I understand. Driver, you have some identification with you?
I do, sir. Yeah.
All right. Can I go ahead and see that, please? I'm Officer Rhodes, Los Santos Police Department.
Okay. There you go.
All right. Mr. Greedo. Mr. Greedo, I've got a question.
Came on. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna be real with you. Okay. This vehicle is reported stolen.
What?
Is there a reason as to why that is?
No way, senor. You know this. My friend Pancho let me borrow it.
Poncho let you borrow it?
Simon.
Okay, where from? Where'd you grab this vehicle?
It was somewhere in the city, by the bank, Pinka Cage, I think it's called.
Pink Cage Bank? Okay.
You
All right.
know?
Well, tell you what. Here's what we can do. I mean, you've been relatively compliant here. So on that basis, I'm perfectly okay with y'all getting out of the vehicle and being free to go. Assuming that there's nothing in the vehicle of concern.
Okay, I understand that, yeah.
So if y'all wouldn't mind, just do me a favor, step out.
Okay.
There we are. Driver, you as well.
Okay, stepping out.
Perfect. All right, and just move over onto the sidewalk. And we'll go ahead and get this vehicle impounded. I do appreciate your cooperation, all right?
Simon, I didn't know Pancho gave me.
Yeah. Hey, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. People could be setting you up. And at the end of the day, you might not even know. But if you're in possession of the car, I mean, that's not good. That's not good. All right, give me just a moment. Let me just go ahead and... Oh, my gosh. There's so many vehicles. You have... could you hand me the keys? That way I can move this vehicle off the road.
Okay, sure.
There we are. All right. Perfect. We'll go ahead and request a tow for this. Y'all are free to go. You have a wonderful day. All right, trunk's clear. There's a couple boxes in the glove box. Stuff inside.
What's that box do though?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
There's I mean, there's some things in here. Nothing too crazy. Some watches. What is that? Is it a phone? Some glasses. Jewelry? Is there some jewelry in there?
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know. But, I mean, this looks similar to the one the other guy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Move your car now. Hey, did you get the plate of both of those cars that you were talking about? Is this a match to any of them?
No.
That shouldn't be.
The first Figaro was Brett Farmer. The second one was Ivan Silvanov. And then there's this one.
Yeah, Brett Farmer and Ivan Silvesterov and
That one.
yeah, this is Sheila Lawson.
Interesting. Okay. Well, let me check the booting laws and see if I can boot this. There is a car just hauling ass.
I think a lot of people are just hauling ass through here because
Toe
they're not
clamps
used to
and
police
you.
presence.
There are only 2 instances when the use of a boot is legal. When the vehicle or item being booted is abandoned on your personally owned private property. This does not apply to places of employment such as Senior Buns or Mosley's. And 2, when the vehicle or items being booted has been marked for tow and you're carrying out the contracted tow duties, whether through a local tow dispatcher or private personally owned property calling for removal. Police vehicles are exempt from being booted. I guess I can't. The boot must only be used to prevent an owner of the illegally parked vehicle moving it or otherwise interfering during the tow process. Interesting. Crazy that this is the exact same fucking color as the other one too. That's originally why I thought it was the same car, because number one, it was 60, same vehicle, same color, except now it was occupied twice.
Yeah. I imagine it's something along the lines of Denzel and Aziz were telling me that
Oh, the rental
apparently people,
place.
yeah, the like high performance rentals or illegal rentals or whatever you want to call it. And so I imagine they're handing out either the same car or very similar cars.
I mean, that's why I'm in these situations. If they're willing to comply and just get out of the car, you know, we take it, document.
Yeah.
We build our case moving forward. But I'm not gonna sit there and stress over pushing charges if people are unable to determine, you know, like these aren't legitimate. They're paying a guy. I mean, I guess the reality is it comes down to common sense, which I don't think is a term anymore because common sense isn't common. So therefore it's just sense.
Nope. Yep.
So I'm, you know, if you can rent an ingot for $600 for the day or this for 1,000, right? This is what I brought up during the meeting when it was brought up. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, somebody could call you their son or father and they would like almost ruin their life, but they could just go murder 5 people and they'd be fine.
I'm gonna actually, you know what? Who's that crossing the freeway?
Is there someone? Oh. I can't see.
Yeah, I'm the same one.
Oh, I see them now. Oh, okay.
Where are they going? Why'd they cross the road? All right, give me a moment. Incident. What vehicle is this again?
Vigero. Vigero. Did you request it already?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Here we are. I just figured something else out. We're fucked.
Why?
If we're impounding a car, the report number, what if it's an incident versus a report?
Oh, yeah.
What if we
I've
only have
noticed
a
that.
car? Oh no.
Yeah.
Nah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's
What
fine.
is it? There's still no legislation regarding vehicle strikes, is there?
Well, I mean, not even just strikes, just for the sake of like documentation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna put the report number, but it be what it be.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta take photos. My bad. Oh,
Damn, you know.
You're pissing me off. I almost slipped.
Are you mad? Oh, okay.
Sorry?
chat. I pressed print screen for the. So I've.
It's an hour after.
Oh, this vehicle's disabled.
It's
Damn, your legs just that
Yeah. I was gonna say the 1-2, but it's kind of just a 1 at this point.
Yeah.
probably just gonna be us two, by the way.
I figured as much.
I may be able to attend. I'm not 100% certain.
Yeah, I figured that would be the case, but I just I informed you anyway.
Hmm.
Yeah, because Flop can't make it, Alice can't make it, so.
Oh no.
And Turner can't be there either, so.
How long do we anticipate it's gonna be?
Tomorrow we'll probably do booking and processing. What else? Like a proper tour, scene control, going through all the like dispatch system in the cars, and then day 2 will just be traffic stops and pursuits.
Interesting. Okay. I meant to make this a report. I made it an incident out of habit, just because of all the fucking citations I gave out today. Is Grand Theft Auto listed as a felony?
It should be.
Can someone verify?
Oh, it's Sherry. Yeah, she's looking.
It's a felony.
Perfect. Felony otherwise not listed. Oop. All right, should be clear. I'm gonna get this impounded, and we are good to go.
Really?
The hell are you doing?
Fucking the goddamn hydroplaning.
Days, come on
Here
now.
we are.
I'm hydroplaning everywhere. This fucking rain. It's a goddamn rainstorm. All
Our
these
local
fucking-
tow's coming to pick that. Oh my god, they arrived with the quickness.
You know what it is? It's these Vinewood weather control devices.
Wait, like is in Desmond, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good
Oh,
stuff.
I done clocked you at 106 miles an hour earlier in the day. I was just too busy to pull you over.
Probably hydroplaning.
In the city when it wasn't raining?
I don't recall. I don't got the best memory.
Uh-huh. Slow it down. It's gonna be the
Slow it
only
right
thing
down.
that's gonna serve as a warning today.
Good man. Thank you for your due diligence.
Have a wonderful day.
You as well. Hey, what are y'all doing up here? Lots of traffic going on. Keep seeing y'all zooming up here and down all day.
We're just doing our job. Just doing our
All
job.
right, good to hear. All right, I'll be seeing y'all officers later.
All right. Dispatch 130. Yeah, 38 up in Polito's code 4. A vehicle that was reported stolen and impounded.
Pick up 5576 to the latest.
I feel like someone is like on rooftops in this area communicating.
PD from EMS.
Go for PD.
Latest 911 mentions stabbing at the Bay City Bank. Suspect still on scene apparently.
A firm. Most units, 3 of the 4 are currently up in Polito. We're en route down to the city. It's going to take some time though.
A firm, worst case, we'll wait for a couple of minutes and then check in later.
A firm. If you want, I mean, like I said, I don't know that we can promise a timely response. But if you go around the scene and, you know, determine that it's safe enough to do so, feel free to.
Hey, we'll keep it the circle around.
.118's going to 76. The burger is shot.
I didn't realize we passed on the right-hand side. Slow it down.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hi. You pulling me over?
Yeah, is there a reason why you continuously overtake cars on the right?
I mean, I'm just overtaking safely.
No, you're not maintaining your lane.
Okay, I'll maintain my lane.
Thank you. Chat, just ignore it. Mods will Mods will deal with it. Ooh, locals crashing out.
Bay City.
Chat, just a heads up, if anyone, so okay, full disclosure, we're all human, except the bots. If anybody were to accidentally have been caught in the wave of bots on accident, it would literally be a matter of being 1 pixel off when eating them. Put in an unban request, and also specifically join the Discord, and you can tag myself or any of the mods in the general channel so we can take a look at it. That's probably the best course of action. In fact, don't even put in an unban request on Twitch. Reach out on Discord, we'll take care of it. Let's see. Sorry, 1 second, chat.
EMS wondering if we're good to go.
Really, Mutter? Okay, hold up. Now I'm curious.
You want to transport?
I'll grab the statement.
Yeah, the witness said that she couldn't actually see the people very well. She was trying to keep her distance because she spotted the knives. She just said it was 2 males that came out, and the victim came screaming like, don't attack me, don't attack me," and then she got stabbed.
Go back and ban them. Really? Fuck. Well, let's see.
255 or 76 CMC 147.
19, same check.
Son, can you do me a favor? Are you able to remove the term and then re-add it? I want to see if it like actively shows. Because if so, that be very curious to know. I mean, I doubt it, to be honest, but let's see.
Rose, we should be good here. We're gonna head to the hospital.
A firm. Yeah. Try that, and we'll see how that goes. Not gonna lie. Shield mode, which I've never used before. I mean, it's literally a single button. Probably worth setting up properly.
1923 CMC.
Very interesting. You're good. You're good. Okay. Son, you can see the same setting, right? So it's more for cleanup. I mean, that makes sense. Well, I mean, hell, much less work. You're not wrong. So essentially, what you're saying is let them sit there and spam for a second. Add the term to the enable shield mode. Add the term, and then they all get yeeted. Is that did I understand that right? Also, you know what? I should probably have, or I probably do have the option on my stream deck to add shield mode. And let me make that front and center. Shield mode, Twitch, perfect. Here. Here we are. I'm testing something, chat. Perfect. All right, easy.
Alpha 576, latest 911.
Are those your plate? No. So those are different because okay, if you look, the first plate says front, the back one says rear, and then above. Actually, if I just do. Okay, so this right here is for the front radar. This is the rear radar. This is the front plate for the front radar, and this is the rear plate for this. So this speed that you see, this is the top speed, and this is the active speed. So if I was behind a car and they were doing 45 miles an hour, this would say 45, but let's say the reason I started following them was because they sped past at 65, this would remain at 65. And so then you have absolute proof that this vehicle did that speed. And so these radar settings, same means that it is scanning in a straight line in front or in the back. Opposite, which is this one. So the way I have mine set up is same for the front. So I scan the plate directly in front, but then rear, opposite, scans at like a 45-degree angle that way. So we pretty much get... Okay, so you'll see we probably won't get that plate of this vehicle. Right? But if we were to change this to opposite, the next vehicle that comes down, because it's scanning at that like 45-degree angle, it should get. Look, it'd be neater if the patrol speed was in the middle. Okay, so you see how it got that plate, 29, run that.
Single
That's the plate for that vehicle.
Both the 911 location.
Be neater if the patrol speed was in the middle, so plates could be below their speeds. Not wrong.
Dispatch 17 1041 10-8.
Morning, Bar.
Howdy, howdy.
Like this one would do it, but I don't think we'll get the plate of that car. So we're gonna change this back to same, keep that, and all is good. Actually, you know what? There have been a lot of tow truck drivers have the same flaw. They can be 10 miles an hour off. I will say this. There is definitely some, like, client side. I don't know if it's client side. Okay. For example, you know how there are certain areas of the map that kind of, like, hitch for a moment? where like you see people driving through it and they rubber band for just a split second, and then you drive through it and it does the same. In areas like that, I never take the reading, because it is definitely like, I don't know if it's considering my distance versus theirs, and I don't know. All I know is that it consistently shows something absurdly not accurate. Yeah, so in order to run the plates, I have to press my up arrow, and that runs the front plate, or back or down arrow for the rear plate, of the ones that are currently there, active. Barrack, was it just one injured individual? Hello.
Hello?
How's it going?
It's me, Libby Reed. How you doing?
Libby? What have you been up to?
Libby,
Where you
it's
been?
me. Oh, man, I'm an alcoholic.
Huh?
That's what I've been up to.
So drinking's like your go-to?
What are you doing in your spare time?
Well, I'm about to issue someone a $1,000 citation.
Oh my god, that's crazy, man.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do you make commission off that?
Not much. Not much.
Oh, that
unfortunately.
sucks. I'm so sorry for your loss.
It's okay.
You want to call me back once you're done there?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right,
If I don't call you back in 10, 15, call me again.
I feel like you'll call me in 15, but that's
yeah,
okay. I'll call you back in 10.
Okay. All right, bye.
All right, bye.
All right.
Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Howdy, how you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm off the
Nice.
road.
That's good to
Los
hear.
Santos Police Department. How are
Nice to
you?
meet you. I'm Julian. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm doing all right. Just started my day off and just woke up, you know.
Mm-hmm. Driving on the wrong side of the road at speeds way higher than you should.
I apologize so much.
Uh-huh.
I honestly didn't even realize until
You didn't realize you were almost at triple digits.
I was just like zoned out.
You know the speed
waking
limit?
up. I think I do. They got raised recently, didn't they?
They did, yeah.
I remember being told that, yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know what it got raised to, though, I'll be fair with you.
Okay, so the way it works is it's 90 on freeways and highways, 75 on county roads, which are specifically labeled as Route 68, Joshua Road, and then Sustancia.
Okay. All right,
and then 55 is listed as city, but really, if the okay, here's the tricky part. County only has 3 roads listed, and so if it's only listing 3 roads, I don't know why a list would be made.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Wait,
You know,
I have a
I'd
question.
imagine
You
that-
said, what was it on 68?
75. Yep.
I was going real slow on that. Okay.
So it's 90 on freeway. So the current speed limits are from highest to lowest 90, 75, 55.
Gotcha, okay.
So there is definitely some legal vagueness regarding city and county, because again, county specifically
Yeah, it
listing
makes sense, though, you
those 3. And so, for example, Tongva Drive, the far northern side of this road, right?
Yeah.
I feel like a decent amount of people would consider that county, especially
Yeah,
considering
I
it
imagine
leads
you
up
would.
to 68.
I think
However,
it's the same with, like, Sonora Road, you know? That's the
true,
ranch.
but it depends. Here's the thing: there's no like actual definition. Before, historically in the past, Route 68 was the only road when it was 35, 55, 75. 68 was the only one where 55 was allowed. So
I think they did it because, like, it makes sense, right? Because both the road behind us there, Tongva and Sonora, they're both, you know, the roads leading into the cities. They don't want people to be speeding into the city, you know?
So,
Makes sense.
with the increased speed limits, there is another issue that arises with that. So before, when the speed limit was 35 in the city, Third degree speeding was anywhere from 1 to 35 over, which meant you could have been doing 36 to 70. That's third degree speeding, $150 citation. Yeah. And then it would go from anywhere from 36 to 55 over would be second degree, and then 56 and above would be first degree, right?
I see.
But in order to hit first degree, before it was 35, 55, what is that, 90 miles an hour? Now, the way it works is third degree, again, 1 to 15 over. Second degree is 16 to 30 over. First degree is 31 and above. So for context.
Can you... I'm getting so scared for your safety being on the road. Can you come on the other side?
Yeah, careful,
I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna be fine. Oh!
No, that's not fine.
Oh, you know, sit tight. Let me just go around. Now, excuse me. Please don't hit me. Excuse me. Okay, you don't have to yell at me, sir. That's terrible. I can't.
There you go. Oh, we're all safe, you know.
All right. So, the other thing. So what I'm saying is the threshold between the jump from third to second to first has narrowed. The other thing is that the fines have increased a considerable amount. Before, from third to first used to be 150, 300, 450. Now it's 300, 600, 1,000.
That's more money than I have.
And I can tell you now, this is the speed at which you were traveling was first degree, which is 1,000.
Oh shit!
I only have 209.
Yeah, he's
That's problematic. Is it just the two of y'all on this?
In the car?
Yeah.
Dispatch 172, 1038 West Memphis.
Who else is in here?
Across Power Street.
Our buddy.
Group 6 truck.
Who is it? Oh.
Wanna go meet him? You can if you want to.
Hello, can you hear me, sir? I'm in the back.
Oh, okay. No, you're good. You're good. Are you okay back there?
Yeah, I'm fine. We're just doing a little group 6.
Okay.
Making some money.
Right. Yeah, no, I understand. Okay. Well, driver, could I go ahead and see some identification?
Of course you can, brother.
You can hand it to your passenger. Just flash it. I'll write down your information. I don't need the card.
Beautiful. There you go, sir.
May I flash mine too?
Here we are. No, you're good. You're good. Here we are. Just to verify, 4270 for the state ID. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. That's me right there.
All right, perfect. Mr. Santorno, you've been pulled over before?
No, actually, it's the first time.
First time. Okay. All right.
Actually, no, I was pulled over once. It was by Johnson, but like before he could even say anything, he's like, "You're good." I think some call came up, and he did before we even had a conversation.
Got it. Okay. All right. Sit tight. I'll be with you shortly.
All right, brother.
All right, if this is actually a first offense, we'll drop it a second degree. But I think we're done giving full-on warnings for first degree speeding. Or actually, future. I don't understand why he's hiding and like.
Sir, is there a ticket for peeing in a bush?
I'm gonna be real. I'm too busy looking at my MDT. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh, but it's dead people.
Oh.
There's a plant behind you right there to the left.
There is a bush. There's a bush to the right. Yep.
But what if it leaks on the dead people?
Girl, there's a dumpster to your left. Oh, that's not a dumpster. Never mind.
More of a dumpster.
Are
you calling a mausoleum a dumpster?
Well, from here it looked like a dumpster.
Damn.
I'm
imagining that person where you die and they call your grave a dumpster.
That's good.
Listen, I'll tell you now, when I'm dead, talk all the shit you want about me. Ain't gonna hurt my feelings. I'm already gone. No, and you know what? Bitch, I will find the people talking shit about me. You bet your ass I'm gonna sit there and haunt them.
Oh, God.
Jesus.
See, this is why we were looking out for your
Do your thing. We won't look.
Don't look at me.
Speed enforcement in the city.
To be fair though, I feel like legacy matters though, no, officer?
Oh yeah, listen, I'll have been known as a petty but thorough bitch. 100%, not a doubt in my mind.
Well, that's good though, you know?
All right, show. Julian.
Do you think graveyards have dumpsters?
Graveyard of dumpster? Probably. I mean, I'd imagine next to the church.
Give me a place to put all the old flowers.
Hmm. All right.
That logo is flipping you off, but he's not. happy
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, I don't know what his problem is. All right,
all
Mr. Santorno, here's what I'm gonna do. So obviously the area of concern here is the original first-degree speeding, and again also on the wrong side of the road. Had I have been on my correct side, you know, if I wasn't off the actual road itself, I mean, I don't think you would have done that in the event where the vehicle was there. You probably did it on the basis that nobody was there, but like at the end of the day, like if I was pulling out of the driveway, you know, I look left,
I mean,
no one there, and
You're
then
right,
get
you're right.
bashed in by a Group 6 truck, no bueno, not good.
Yeah, it's true. I mean, heavy truck through the thing ain't stopping for nothing, you know?
Exactly.
So I understand.
So here's what I'm gonna do. You've been very compliant. You don't have any priors. However, I can't really look past this as a whole. So what I am doing is I'm not going to issue the citation for driving on the wrong side of the road. And instead of first-degree speeding, I'm going to reduce it down to second degree on the basis of, again, you being compliant.
Also 556.
So instead of it being like a $1,150 citation, it's just going to be a $600 citation, 2 points on your license.
All right,
It almost halves everything.
She still stings, but at least it's not like a
It-
fatal
better
blow,
than
you know?
better than the 1150 and 4 points on the license.
That's true, that's true.
It's just about half in almost every capacity, whether that be fine and points.
I appreciate that.
All right.
What do points do?
Well, would you mind passing the clipboard over to the driver? And
yeah.
As I say
Go.
to everybody, it's not admission of guilt when you sign. It's just indicating you received it. And if you'd like, you can attempt to appeal at any time in the next 30 days. So
Right,
points on your license accumulate over the course of 30 days. From my understanding, they drop off after 30 days. All right. I will take that.
There you go, sir.
There we are.
All right, sounds
and
good.
once you exceed 20, your license is suspended.
Okay.
Making it a misdemeanor for you to drive. So it's pretty much the equivalent
Howdy.
of having a warrant out for your arrest if you're driving with a suspended license.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
All right. Now, beyond
Warrants
that,
are
did y'all have
bad.
any comments, questions, or concerns?
No, that's really it, to be honest.
All right. Well, if that's the case, y'all are going to be free to go into the back of my vehicle. My emergency lights are off.
Thank you so much.
Sorry. Hey, is that you back there, Future?
Huh?
I imagine it's your. Is it not you? Is it you?
No, my name's Joe.
Joe?
Yeah, my name's Joe.
Oh. Okay. But
Oh, turn 3 at the apartment.
this is Future's truck. Is it him back there?
Listen, I met a guy called Joe at the HQ. It's the first time doing a job with him. I work here with Jade. We got mentioning uniforms. My
Got
first
it.
time on
Okay.
this truck, so hey,
Is it
I'm not
Joe's
sure.
truck?
I know he called me Joe.
Listen,
I mean,
if he's concerned about
he told me
having
his
a
name was
warrant, he
Joe.
ain't
Have you ever
got
been
one.
down there? Everyone's asking like, "Hey, you want to go ride with us?" Like, you know, I jump in cars with strangers all day.